What do you think of that?
Went in there a lot easier than the old ones. You ain't smashing your fingers and everything.
Let me grab a light.
Stage 2. With your system, Marcel, you said at stage 1 that Logan's putting in right there will be tighter than the third stage at the back.
Yes, we're becoming more open on the concaves the further out we are in the combine. That's right.
So the higher the crop is yielding, the more open we're going to be towards the back.
Yes. Who wants to have the honor? What do you think of that?
Went in there a lot easier than the old ones. You ain't smashing your fingers and everything.
Let me grab a light. Have a nice handle on the back, or if you have a plug the combine, you can put a pry bar on and yank it out. So now this goes on those dowel pins there on the bottom.
I'm ready with the second stage.
There's a short insert on the outside.
Goes on those little tabs.
Yep. There. That's how easy it is.
I'm tightening them all back up by hand. A lot easier than the other ones, and it goes in there really nice, especially once you get it all figured out.
What do you think? You happy?
Yeah, I give that a thumbs up. So we go from a 45-minute or maybe an hour per side job to probably maybe 10 minutes, I would think. I think you can have it in and out in 10 minutes.
So 2 hours total at least.
Yeah, to 20 minutes.
Oh, total machine,
And
yeah.
to me, that makes it more likely, like if you're in the field harvesting and you are having trouble getting your crop clean or your losses are too high, when you would be apt to just go on and go because it's a 2-hour job now, you know, to make combine adjustments. If you just needed to change one of those stages, you'd maybe have 5 minutes invested. A lot more likely to change out to the concave you need, getting, you know, a better sample in your grain and less loss. So
Yes, and
that's
no
a
more
win.
cover plates.
Yeah, cover plates, which don't work anyway.
No more cover plates with us, yeah.